was Grah Alchemy, How Planets Transform You During Crisis. Astrolens, Clarity with Mukul Trehan. कभी सोचा है क्यों आपकी जिंदगी के सबसे मुश्किल पल ठीक उसी समय आते हैं जब कोई एक क्रैश आपको भीतर से बदलने में लगा होता है? Some moments break your rhythm, but inside something deeper is melting, reshaping, refining you. यही प्रक्रिया है ग्रह alchemy, where crisis becomes heat and you become something purer. आज हम इसी इनर मल्टिंग को समझेंगे, शांत होकर, धीरे, गहराई से. When life turns into a furnace, हर इंसान की ज़िंदगी में एक समय आता है जब कंफर्ट हट जाता है और आप सीधे एक अदृश्य भट्टी में पहुंच जाते हैं. Confusion rises, fear spikes, restlessness grows, but this fire is not destruction. This is purification. This is the starting point of ग्रह alchemy. हर ग्रह अपनी आग अलग लाता है और बदलाव भी अलग देता है. Fire, सूर्य, identity alchemy. When Surya begins his alchemy, the first question that appears is, who am I, really? A job can go, a title can fade, respect may wobble, confidence may shake, but Surya burns only the borrowed parts of you. Your masks, your insecurities, your false identities. जो बचता है वही आपका असली रूप है. Your authentic, unfiltered self. Chandra, emotional alchemy. When Chandra steps in, you are placed in a different kind of heat, on that dimension, the heat of emotion. Old dirt rises, hidden fears surface, loneliness expands. It feels heavy, but this heaviness is cleansing. Chandra melts emotional blocks and gives you sahanubhuti, the ability to feel deeply and respond gently. You emerge more compassionate and emotionally wiser. Shani, the slow relentless alchemy. शनि की आग धीमी होती है but extremely powerful. He slows your pace. He stops your shortcuts. He forces discipline. He demands honesty. Delays, responsibilities, pressure. ये सब शनि की alchemy का हिस्सा है. इस भट्टी से जो इंसान निकलता है वो मजबूत होता है, grounded होता है और भीतर से अडेग. राहु, the alchemy of illusion. राहु पहले उलझाता है फिर साफ करता है. He attracts you towards desires, risks, temptations, distractions. Outside everything looks exciting. Inside everything feels chaotic. But when Rahu's smoke clears, truth hits you sharply. You see your patterns, your illusions, your blind spots. This is Rahu ka gift. Strategic clarity plus bold courage. Snake. Ketu, the silent alchemy. केतु की प्रक्रिया शांत होती है लेकिन गहरी होती है. People detach, old passions fade, sudden emptiness appears, silence grows inside you. It feels like loss, but actually this is purification. Ketu melts unnecessary attachments and makes space for intuition, insight and spiritual depth. जो इंसान इस अल्केमी से निकलता है वो हल्का इंट्यूटिव और डीपली अवेयर होता है. Star. This is Grah alchemy. Every crisis is a forge. Every Grah is a blacksmith. And you are the metal being transformed. Once the alchemy completes, fear reduces, clarity increases, emotional reactions soften, boundaries strengthen, purpose becomes sharper, inner calm settles naturally. You are never breaking. You are being refined. Star. Thank you for listening. अगर इस बात ने आपके भीतर कहीं भी रोशनी जगाई तो इस यात्रा को यहीं मत रोकिए. एस्ट्रोलेंस, क्लैरिटी विद मुकुल त्रेहान. लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब.